To perch, or whatchamacallit.
Oh God, don't get that next to me. What's up? That's too little.
No, that's how they just don't get that big.
That's squishy.
It's a perch, right? Peck. I'm used to deep sea stuff. I even forgot my gloves, cuz. Let me see the pliers. Pliers. Those are any size, right?
Yeah.
Perches. You know what he ate? He's eating the shrimp. They're eating the shrimp. Yeah. Lab. Looks like a chocolate gray or something, huh? Yeah.
I see all these dudes catching big fish.
You see, has a pretty face still, huh? Jack's got a pretty face, guys.
Yeah, you could. These ones, they're that small. They're surf perch. Yeah. Yeah.
Sunset open up, you know?
Oh, you just bought me a nice one.
See, they like that the shrimp. Hey, they're hitting that shrimp because it probably looks like mussel. Look at it. Is that one hit? Look, all right. Look, Michelle. A starfish. It's a starfish. Do they bite?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Then look at all of his hey, look at his tentacles. Look at
What about your old kicking your ass with a fish bite you?
look at all the tentacles.
Yeah, throw it back in. He's alive.
Grab
right?
it.
Why would I grab it? Just quit being a bitch.
Yeah, he literally tried to eat that thing.
No, quit being a bitch.
Here, you grab it. I don't like grabbing these things. I don't know what they
No, your
do.
wife's right here, bro. Knock it off. Man up, dude. Don't take his food. Don't give me these fucking things. No, here, look. Oh, they weren't ready.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what he does.
Look at
I know, it's like they'd like pokey them. Look at this thing. That looks like a big halibut or a stingray. Oh, it's a big shovel nose. Look at big old shovel nose. Yeah. Big ass one. Remember yours was bigger than that shit, dude. I thought it was a shark at first.
Is it?
It's a shovel nose one. You know, like the guitar fish like one.
Bullhead with a fat head?
Yeah, with the long body.
Yeah.
No,
That's a good one.
the thresher would have like
Jumped.
It would have jumped. That would have been nice.
I know, I was hoping for
This one tricked you.
Yeah, it jumped, right?
It's probably the one I saw swimming around on the shore right there right now.
Back a little more. Back a little more.
Damn, look at it, it just keeps flowing back. No, no, yeah, you got it.
Look at this.
That looks
John,
good.
take picture.
That looks like.
And it's like throwing out air from its.
Jump on us.
I didn't.
It's only with this, with the net, you can get
Yeah.
something like that.
I tried to pull one up a little this morning and it broke right
Oh,
here.
yeah?
Yeah.
You don't know if it's the same one.
Yeah.
I thought that was a shark.
Hey guys, let's go back. It's a guitar.
Huh? No, fuck me, you grab it. It has teeth. Here, where's your thing, your pliers? Dang, he gutted it, dude. He's gonna die. Here. See, it's on the shrimps. Oh no, don't touch his teeth though. Oh shit.
He swallowed it.
Yeah.
Teeth ain't gonna bite you. Open his mouth up.
Oh, he has teeth.
Get
He
it
has.
in there. Ain't gonna hurt you, just get it in there. Try not to kill it.
Oh, he's gutted.
You're done.
Get his.
He ain't trying to get in there. Dang it, Jesus, get it.
He gutted that shit. He's.
Try not to kill it.
Hallie.
After 4. It's 4 o'clock on the dot, Brian.
Hallie. Told you 4 o'clock. It's a small halibut. He even got the shrimp. Yeah. Did you see which one they want? Yeah. Shrimp. Yeah. Let me see your pliers. Want to see it? Like told you I had one on there. See, you wanted to look at that right when I get to worst thing. I told you 4 o'clock, dude. I'm telling you. Your second stop, dude. I was right. Was it right 4 on the dot? Told you, dude. I fucking did my homework. Look at him trying to bite me.
Just get it, dog. They ain't gonna hurt you.
It's too poquito. 20. Yeah, halibut. Needs to be 22 inches.
I've been coming out here for 10 years and you're the first person I say catch anything.
Yeah. I just caught one. We just came from Malibu pier and I just caught the same thing.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta let it go.
Get it, huh? Get the hook and twist it. And work it out.
Yep. Here's Brian.
Check it out. That is it. That's a
Stingray.
2 of them.
Huh?
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
Damn, two.
Damn,
A double stingray.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got your pliers?
Yeah, they're in my bag. Damn it.
Look, Michelle, you got two little baby stingrays. A double hookup on stingrays.
Come on, guys.
Don't let it hit you.
Good. Damn it.
Get your pliers right here.
Yeah, yeah. They're in my bag. They're in my bag.
Just hold this fucking shit down. Watch this tail. Step on it. Like,
I'm gonna smash him too hard.
where is it at? Right here.
Damn it.
Michelle, look. Two of them. Two babies.
Two little
It's a little. That's what's hitting these lines in is the little babies.